Have you missed the steak, egg, and cheese bagel that's gone missing from Mickey D's menu? I know I sure have. Here's a copycat recipe that's pretty close to the original, but even better because you know the ingredients. Hi, I'm Minnie from This and That Minis. Thanks for joining me, and let's get started on this super scrumptious breakfast sandwich. Everything you need to make this Sammy is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, an egg, sliced onion, 1 bagel, 2 slices of cheese, and 3 slices of steak-em. Slice up as much onion as you like. Heat your skillet up piping hot and add your olive oil. Add your onions and cook till they're iridescent. Throw in your slices of steak. The heat setting should be low to medium. Add salt and pepper to taste and any other seasoning you might like. If you're enjoying this video, hit that like button and comment below with any questions or suggestions. I'd really love to hear from you. And once they thaw out a little, you can give them a stir. Toss your bagel in the toaster. And now it's time to give this steak a good stir. Mix well, incorporating those onions on into the steak. It's starting to smell delicious in here. And if you haven't done so yet, smash that subscribe button. Grab those bagels. Hot, hot. Place a slice of cheese on the bottom of the bagel. And then add the meat mixture. And as that cheese melts, it'll help hold the steak onto the bagel. And place that second slice of cheese over the top of the meat mixture. In that same skillet, you browned up your onions and meat. Fry an egg. Now once it's cooked to your liking, turn off the heat and carefully remove the egg, placing it on top of the cheese on your bagel sandwich. And there you have it. Enjoy! I'm sure you'll find this super yummy. I know I sure did. Thank you for joining me today, folks. Click here to subscribe to my channel and watch this video next.